So friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about CHIEFTEC Hunter 2 ATX gaming keys. So friends, CHIEFTEC Hunter 2 feature a larger mesh area for optimized airflow combined with brushed aluminum panels for a clean and elegant design, and at the same time functionality is improved by a hinged door made of tempered glass and USB Type-C on the top I/O. And the 102 features a brightness button and A-RGB pattern button to control the 4 pre-installed A-RGB fans via control hub, which also enables ambient sync and fan speed control to create stylish vibe. And 280mm radiator support and a maximum GPU length of 320mm enables the assembly of capable modern gaming systems. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.